Hey guys, today's adventure is going to be a little different and a little shorter, I think. I'm going to be going to a nearby overlook called Angel's Overlook. It's not off the Blue Ridge Parkway, but it's on a road that's right off the Blue Ridge Parkway. Well, following a septic tank truck wasn't really my idea of a good time. Whoo-wee, man. Should have brought my oxygen mask with me, right? I don't usually pass, but this is one of those cases in which we will. Quite a bit of work going on around here. Gotta watch out for little spurts of gravel out into the road if you're going up the Lover's Leap. It's going to be in the mid to high 70s this morning, then it's going to be getting up in the 80s later this afternoon. So I'm trying to get out this morning, get a quick ride in. I didn't get to go out last weekend, so just trying to get out at least once a week if I can, so I can get better at riding this here motorcycle. No haze today, at least very little bit of it, if there is any. The Scorpion Vortex jacket is pretty much perfect for these temperatures. I have the Yosemite jacket as well, and it's supposed to be able to handle summer riding, but this one has a little bit more mesh and a little bit more air circulation. I might go ahead and stop in Meadows of Dan at the gas station and top off too, since I'm going right by it. Alright, so now we're going to make our way to 614 here, which will take us to Squirrel Spur Road, I believe. Some bicyclists up here. It's not going to be very enjoyable if I have that truck on my butt the entire time. Might find a place to pull over up here. Oh, they're turning. We're good. Hey, look, there's more than trees in Virginia. There's corn. Good old Indiana Beach joke. I think we're going to have a mix of beautiful farmland and mountain views today. Come on, fourth gear. Don't make me shift down. This is where we hang off of this road and take Squirrel Spur Road. This is actually 600 or 610, I think, that we're on right now. A lot of corn now. Basically all the fun roads around here are going up and down the Blue Ridge Mountains. It's where you get all your switchbacks. Only 2.2 miles till this overlook, so I imagine we're going to be starting our descent here fairly soon. I did see one hairpin turn I'm gonna have to take it nice and slow on. Yeah, here we go. Squirrel Spur Road. I think I'll keep it in third gear throughout here, since I'm going downhill rather than uphill. Help me brake around the corners a little bit. Here she is. Don't want to hug that too tight because of the loose gravel there. I think the overlook is a little bit further down. Is this the overlook? This looks like the overlook right here. No, this is private property. Sorry. That is incorrect. I guess more than one person is allowed to enjoy this view. Kind of a blind turn there. Okay, that is awesome. Make sure the motorcycle doesn't fall over here. Yeah, check out that view. Angel's Overlook. Do a pan with my face here. So over off that way you can see Hanging Rock State. No, that's Pilot Mountain, I think. Hanging Rock, I believe, is over there. Yeah, that's Pilot Mountain State Park over there in North Carolina. So we're right near the North Carolina-Virginia border. Beautiful day, guys. Absolutely beautiful day. So yeah, here in Patrick County, Virginia. This overlook was donated by Douglas and Judy Angel in loving memory of Brian Douglas Angel. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed this view. So yeah, an incredible view through here. But I am probably going to go back the same way I came because I just remembered yesterday we went and did some shopping in North Carolina, and around Route 8 they just put some new asphalt down and it was flying all over the place when they were driving the truck through there. So I imagine it might be about the same right now. So I am actually going to avoid that loop area and just go back the same way I came. So probably a short little video today, but just wanted to get out and get on an adventure and take the motorcycle out. But if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at dnsadventures.com. And as always, adventure on. One thing as a newbie rider I keep on trying to remind myself to do is to look the way you want to turn, because it helps so much. It's almost impossible to turn without doing that. And I don't know why I keep on messing that up.